I'm always too stressed to start these videos. I might just be excited because I have to redo my nails. My nails look like crap, and I was like, what am I gonna do to my nails this week? What am I gonna do? I don't do my nails every week, I do them like every month, but homegirl needs a fill. I like to do acrylic nails because I like to tap on things. So today I'm gonna try to follow a nail tutorial by Susie's Nail Career Education. So I watch all her videos all the time. That's how I learned how to do my nails with acrylics and stuff, whatever, because before I was just doing gel polish. So thank you, Susie. So I'm gonna try to do this fun watercolor nail art thing with felt tip pens. I like my coloring books. I've got these brush pens. They're like watercolor. So we're gonna try all three of those. She used some regular like Crayola felt tip pen markers, and she had a bunch of brushes, and she had rubbing alcohol, and that's how, and she blended it together, and it looked like a beautiful, wonderful watercolor nail thing. First things first, I've got to file off all this fun stuff, all this pink, and she did a white nail so that she could see all the markers. So let's go, I'm so excited. Okay, so as you can see, like I said, the nails need a fill. I do not like this gap here. I'm just gonna plug this in. I gotta turn this little thingy on, and it's gonna go to work. I filed things down. Now I just need to do a rebalance because this nail had to completely come off, and I gotta rebalance, fill in with some more acrylic. This is acrylic I'm using. It's clear acrylic by Mia Secret. It's nail polish time. I've got my nails all acrylic and filled and rebalanced. So now I'm going to use this Elite 99. I don't know, this gel polish. I've been using it for years. And gelish. And this color that says Arctic Freeze. It's white. You know, 3-step gel system. Polish time. They're white. They're like snow. Okay, so Susie had felt tip markers.
These are the felt markers that I just picked up at the store.
And I showed you before, these super markers, and I have these Color Smart. But I think the super markers are actual felt tip. Tips are actually like those soft felt tip things. And this sucked because when I bought these for my coloring book, and I wanted like brush pens and they didn't have any. Like, this is what I thought, like, does it not say brush pens? It says brush pens. So the tip was supposed to be like a brush, but you can see that it's just a regular marker tip that's shaped kind of like a brush, I guess. So then later I bought these. These are actual brushes. Like, look at that. Ooh. I'm gonna mess them up. These are actual watercolor brush pens. So I got these with it because I feel like maybe it doesn't matter if it's felt tip or not, but we're gonna try My felt tip ones are a little dried out because I let my nephews play with them. I don't really know what color scheme I want. I'm thinking maybe purples and pinks and blue. I don't know. But Susie, I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, I'm here with my nails. Obviously, my nails don't look as cute as Susie's, but they're fine. They're fine. Oh, Susie said all you need is some felt tip markers, which I've got felt tip and brush markers, and some alcohol in a little dish.
A dish of alcohol. You don't need a lot of alcohol. You just need a little bit in the bottom of a dish.
And I've got my little unicorn here. Her name is Rainbow. Rainbow Fluff. And there's some alcohol in here. Nice little rubbing alcohol. So we're gonna have Rainbow Fluff sit right there. And we're gonna try this nail thing out. So she was like, pick colors that complement each other. I don't know what I want. Like, I really don't know. I think first what I want to test is maybe the watercolor versus the, the watercolor versus the felt tip. So I guess we'll look at that first. Okay, we can see my little crusty nails here. Then we'll be looking crusty for long though. So I'm gonna get this purple. I hope purple's not too overbearing of a color. She was just like going at it with the scribbles. Like, she just was drawing in some spaces.
This is really simple in that you can just color everywhere. It's really there's not looking for any artistic.
So that's what I'm gonna do. I think 4 is nice, and then I'll do 4 with the watercolor one on a different nail just to see if that has any difference. It looks like a stronger color with this one. I don't know. I guess we'll see. She just colored in some spaces on here and fills up the nail. Oh, I like this pink. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I know these colors are gonna differ slightly because they're different brands, so obviously they're not gonna have the same color. Like, they might not be the same. They're not the same ink. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. Like, I don't know how to talk. Okay, I mean, they're gonna be similar. Like, this pink isn't the same kind of pink that one is, but it's fine. This is a work of art. We're doing what we want to do. Like Bob Ross said, happy little accidents. We're gonna do some happy little accidents. I think I want to put some blue in there. I think that'll be fun. Some blue. At the beginning of the video, I showed that I had some other markers. Is this blue? Did it run out? Anyway, at the beginning of the video, I showed that I had some other markers that were, they were more of a fine tip, but I put them away because I was like, am I really, like, gonna use a fine tip marker for this? Like, I don't think that's gonna work. So I just put it away. I was like, doesn't really matter. I have enough colors here. Like, I don't think that I'm gonna suffer just because I didn't use my fine tip markers. Plus, I don't think they'll do much. They're not gonna have like a nice range of space. These watercolor markers, it is hard to get the color out of them a little bit because the tip is so thin. Let me try a different blue. Oh my gosh, the tips went flying. If I try the darker blue in this, some little dots, it's hard to get the color because the tip is so small. Like, it's like a little, it comes to this nice point, which is cool, but for coloring, but like, when I'm trying to do this on my nail, which this is not made for nails, first of all, so I can't be really mad about it, but it's, whatever. I guess since I put dark blue on this nail, I should put dark blue on this one as well. Blue, this one. Okay, these felt tip ones definitely pack more colors, so maybe that's why she used felt tip pens. But also I feel like she used them because they were most common. Okay, and now for the moment of truth. So Rosie, who is Rosie? Susie said to use some brushes. So
I'm going to use this brush. This is by Ugly Duckling, and you can see it's very, very tiny. Use the long skinny ones. You can use this one. You can use a big one too for a different look.
So I got these brushes right here. These are actually paint brushes, not nail brushes, but whatever. So I've got 3 different types. I'm gonna use the small one first. She used the small brush, but I'm just gonna get the alcohol, dip the brush in there, wipe it off on the sides because I don't want too much. She just put some dots in there and let it do what it does.
Not too much. think I'm getting a little bit better at it. It's a technique.
So let's see. It's supposed to give you this nice, oh, there it goes. There it goes. I see it. I might just need like a tiny bit more. I like this brush. It's tiny. Oh, it is. It's moving around. Okay. All right. I see you. I see you. I see you. It's working. So you can use the watercolor things. Cool. I also am like stressed because I was watching the video over again before I did this to make sure I wasn't going to make a mess and do something stupid and look dumb. I was worried because I didn't when I did my gel, I just did the I just did the first 2 layers, like, you know. Ooh, I'm getting distracted. I'm so sorry. I love this already. Not too much of a difference. The colors are fun. So I'm thinking maybe every other nail I'll do felt tip, and that means this one will be watercolor and this one will be felt tip. I think I did a good job. Ooh, I wish I could. Susie did multiple colors. I might do one with more blue in it this time. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I should try a bigger brush. Let's do that. Let's do a bigger brush. All right, let's see. I'm just gonna pat it down and do some dots and see what happens. Ooh, I really feel like this is a painting. Like, this is cute. Using the big brush a little bit, and I wanted to show you. I did it with my thumb. It made a big print in the middle. Alright, homegirl's got cute nails now. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. It matches my towel. Alright, so I guess the next thing, all I need to do is put on a top coat and get to it. So I have this Elite 99 gel polish. I really like it. It's cheaper than Gelish. I think Gelish nail polish is like $30 for 2 of them. In the pack, I don't know, but I didn't feel like paying for that, so I bought this Elite 99 on Amazon, and they have really good nail polishes. We did it! I did it, I guess. Oh my gosh, this is so cute and so fun. Oh, I love my nails. Okay, success. We had a success. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, please, so that I feel like I have a life. And also do the notification-y thingy so that you guys can get updates about when I put videos out. Also, if you want updates and you don't turn on the notification on YouTube, which you should, but if you don't, you can follow me on Instagram, Lovely Psychotic Life, to get updates of when I'm gonna upload, if I'm not gonna upload a day, and just what kind of videos I put out. You guys can message me. You guys can give me like video suggestions, whatever you want. I don't care. Send me messages. I have no friends. And maybe we'll do another one of these nail things because Susie has a lot of videos. Also, thank you, Susie. It's Susie's Nail Career Education. You've taught me so much about nails. It's amazing. And in a year, I have finally kind of sort of mastered acrylics. Thank you, Susie, for uploading your videos and doing such fun things, because this was really fun and it's so exciting and I love it. So thank you so much. Now I'm gonna have really cute nails. I love you guys. Tell everyone you love them, and bye.